Welcome back to my channel. Luxury drive car, the 2025 Jaguar F-Pace, a luxury SUV that masterfully blends performance, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every facet of this remarkable vehicle, providing you with a thorough understanding of what makes the 2025 F-Pace a standout choice in the luxury SUV market. Design and exterior. The 2025 Jaguar F-Pace continues to captivate with its sleek and dynamic design, embodying the brand's commitment to luxury and performance. Its exterior showcases a harmonious blend of athleticism and sophistication, featuring clean lines, a bold front grille, and distinctive LED headlights that exude confidence on the road. The aerodynamic profile not only enhances its visual appeal but also contributes to improved efficiency and handling. Interior and comfort. Step inside the F-Pace, and you're greeted by a meticulously crafted interior that prioritizes comfort and luxury. Premium materials adorn the cabin, with available Windsor leather upholstery and authentic wood veneers, creating an atmosphere of refined elegance. The spacious layout ensures ample legroom and headroom for all occupants, while the panoramic sunroof floods the interior with natural light, enhancing the sense of openness. Performance and powertrains. Under the hood, the 2025 F-Pace offers a range of powertrains designed to cater to diverse driving preferences. The base model features a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 246 horsepower and 269 pounds-to-feet of torque, providing a balanced blend of efficiency and performance. For those seeking more exhilaration, the F-Pace SVR 575 edition boasts a formidable 5.0-liter supercharged V8 engine, now producing an impressive 575 horsepower, ensuring a thrilling driving experience with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.8 seconds. Driving dynamics. Jaguar has engineered the F-Pace to deliver a dynamic and engaging driving experience. The vehicle's lightweight aluminium architecture enhances agility, while the advanced suspension system ensures a smooth and composed ride. The available adaptive dynamics system monitors body movements and adjusts the damping for optimal comfort and control, allowing the F-Pace to effortlessly tackle both city streets and winding roads. Technology and infotainment. The 2025 F-Pace is equipped with Jaguar's intuitive PIV Pro infotainment system, featuring an 11.4-inch curved glass touchscreen that provides seamless access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings. The system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Additionally, the available Meridian surround sound system delivers an immersive audio experience, making every journey enjoyable. Safety and driver assistance. Safety is paramount in the F-Pace, with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features designed to enhance confidence behind the wheel. Standard features include adaptive cruise control with steering assist, which maintains a set speed and distance from the vehicle ahead while providing gentle steering inputs to keep you centered in your lane. The 3D surround camera offers a 360-degree view of the vehicle's surroundings, aiding in parking and low-speed maneuvers. Customization and options. Jaguar offers a variety of packages and options to tailor the F-Pace to your preferences. The dynamic pack enhances the vehicle's sporty character with performance-focused features, while the bright exterior pack adds chrome accents for a more refined appearance. Interior options include 14-way power-adjustable heated and cooled performance front seats, ensuring optimal comfort regardless of the weather. Fuel efficiency. The F-Pace strikes a commendable balance between performance and efficiency. The base 2.0-liter engine achieves an estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city and 27 miles per gallon on the highway, making it a practical choice for daily commuting and long-distance travel. The high-performance SVR variant, while prioritizing power, offers respectable fuel economy given its capabilities, pricing and value. The 2025 Jaguar F-Pace offers a compelling value proposition in the luxury SUV segment. The base P250 Aerodynamic S trim starts at approximately $57,000. Providing a comprehensive suite of standard features and the renowned Jaguar driving experience. The range-topping SVR 575 edition, with its supercharged V8 engine and performance enhancements, is priced higher, reflecting its position as a high-performance luxury SUV. Competitor comparison. In a competitive market, the F-Pace distinguishes itself with its unique blend of British elegance and sporty performance. While rivals like the BMW X3 offer engaging driving dynamics and the Mercedes-Benz GLC emphasizes luxury, the F-Pace strikes a harmonious balance between the two, appealing to drivers seeking both excitement and refinement in their SUV. Owner impressions. Owners of the 2025 F-Pace have expressed high satisfaction with their vehicles, praising the comfortable ride quality, responsive handling, and the intuitive infotainment system. The spacious interior and ample cargo capacity have also been highlighted as strong points, accommodating both daily needs and weekend adventures with ease. Conclusion. The 2025 Jaguar F-Pace exemplifies the brand's dedication to crafting vehicles that deliver performance, luxury, and advanced technology in equal measure. Whether you're drawn to its striking design, dynamic driving experience, or the array of modern amenities, the F-Pace stands as a compelling choice for those seeking a luxury SUV that doesn't compromise on excitement or comfort. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through the 2025 Jaguar F-Pace. We hope this review has provided valuable insights to assist you in your automotive endeavors. The backside of the 2025 Jaguar F-Pace exudes a perfect blend of sportiness and sophistication, reinforcing the SUV's dynamic presence on the road. The sleek, sculpted tailgate features an elegant yet aggressive stance, with a subtle rear spoiler that enhances aerodynamics and adds a performance-oriented touch. Jaguar's signature slim LED taillights extend horizontally, seamlessly integrated into the rear design, giving the F-Pace a modern and high-tech appearance, especially at night. The rear bumper is designed for both aesthetics and function, with bold lines and a lower diffuser that emphasizes the vehicle's sporty DNA. Depending on the trim level, the F-Pace offers different rear design elements, such as gloss black detailing on the aerodynamic models or chrome accents for a more refined look. The SVR 575 edition stands out with its quad exhaust outlets, showcasing its high-performance capability with an unmistakable growl. The hands-free power tailgate ensures convenience, allowing easy access to the spacious cargo area, making loading and unloading effortless. The practicality of the F-Pace continues with a generous 31.5 cubic feet of cargo space, expandable by folding down the rear seats. Overall, the backside of the 2025 Jaguar F-Pace perfectly complements its luxurious and performance-driven personality. It balances elegance with an aggressive road presence, making it a standout choice for those who appreciate both style and functionality in a luxury SUV. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.